Protect your exceptional vehicle with Xpel Ultimate Plus Protective Film, installed by the professionals at Audi Minneapolis. Road debris, birds, bugs, and everyday life can quickly deteriorate your new car shine. Investing in protective film could save you thousands in paint and repair and will keep your vehicle looking as good as the day it rolled off our lot. Ultimate Plus Protective Film is self-healing. Light scratches and swirl marks disappear with light heat or even just hot water. Each piece of film is cut to factory measurements and precisely installed by our in-house technicians. They have the skills and experience to take on the most challenging curves and edges, delivering a flawless application every time. This is the glossiest, longest-lasting, most durable paint protection film available. Optically clear and virtually invisible to the naked eye, Audi Minneapolis offers multiple levels of protection, ranging from full vehicle coverage to front end only. Be sure to ask your brand specialist which level suits your needs best.